Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have every one of us here today. Okay, today's class promises to be very amazing. We're going to be designing a 3D logo using our Pixellab and our Photopea. Yes, a very realistic 3D logo. You won't even notice you are actually designing with a smartphone. Like, it looks very unique, very realistic. Trust me. I want every one of us to watch this video to the very end because there is a whole lot of tricks, a whole lot of shortcuts that I'll be sharing during the course of this video, and I want everyone to be a partaker of that. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Okay, so I'll be deleting, excuse me, I'll be deleting this new text. I've actually downloaded all what I'll be needing for this particular tutorial. So I want every one of us to go through my YouTube channel, to get the video on how to download these beautiful icons you're looking. It is actually free of charge. I've dropped a video concerning that. Do well to go through the other videos to check it out. Okay, this is the icon we're going to be using today. So I'll be clicking on circle to crop that out. Wow, look at that. Okay, we're making progress. Then I'll be texting what we do. We cater. We cater for all kinds of events. Okay, good. So the next one is I'll be texting in the other one. What kind of event do we do? We do wedding, comma, wedding, comma, we do birthday, and we also do burial ceremony. Okay, good. Then I'll be typing in our social media handles. Ray Tastiest Delight. You know, it's a business social media handle, so it has to tally with the one, our business name. Okay. Next thing, be writing in our phone number. Very important. It has to be bold, like very bold. So I'll be typing that out. 0803 222. This phone number is not real low. I just come up with it for the benefit of this tutorial. Good. So let me work on the font. Okay. Let's go to the font. These are the normal conventional fonts. These are a whole lot of downloaded fonts. I have over 5,000 of them. I'll be giving it to my students that enroll for my free training classes. I'll be giving this font to them free of charge. So if you want to get this font, kindly enroll to my training. It is actually free. It's an empowerment program. Okay, moving forward. This is the font I used. If you want to get all those fonts, do well to enroll for my empowerment program. It is free. It's just to empower the youth. Okay, let's go back to business. I'll be changing this font as well. The font I used. Okay, good, perfect. Let me edit this. The ray is 2. Ray. Okay. So we're making progress. I am sure you are enjoying this class. Okay, let me change the font. Let's see which font did I use. Okay, this. Okay, good. Okay, so let me change the color. Change the color to that. Okay, then I'll be adding a stroke to it. Enable. Then I'll be changing the color of the stroke as well. Good. Don't forget, the background we're going to be placing this on is a white background. So you can't use a white color text on a white background. It won't show. The only time you can use a white colored text on a white background is if you are giving it a stroke of another color. Let's say, okay, I still want to use my white text, so I will just be giving this particular text a stroke of a different color. You see that? So if you are given it, if you still want to use a white font, a white color for your font, please give your font a stroke to make it pop out. Good. Okay, but in this video I'll be giving it a different color. Okay, let's see which color. Is it this? I'm trying to get a color. Okay, this is the color I used. Good. Then I'll be changing this color as well. It's very simple. You have to be very careful when selecting colors. It has to tally. You don't want to it has to tally, and you want to give a color that will pop out on your mock-up design. You don't want to have a blend, something that people won't be able to read and you'll be like, I thought I wrote something here now. So I'll be giving everything a stroke. I'll enable that. Good. We are making progress. Wow. You see that? So I'm keeping in mind that you are using a white background. So I have to give it colors that will pop out, colors that will be visible. Yes, let me use that word. That will be visible on my white background. Good. Okay, so I'll be going to my gallery. I want to bring in my social media icon, which I have showed us how to download. Those people who are conversant with my channel, we already know how to download this. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get and click on the notification button so that you can get amazing videos like this whenever we drop it. Trust me, we are full of surprises here. So I would love you to consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, so Instagram icon. Good. So I'll be cropping that out as well. Good, we are making progress. So I'll be reducing this. What else? Reducing this as well as reducing this. Then I'll be arranging it beside each other. This is the tricky part. Very tricky if you ask me. So I'll be going to my layer. I want to merge it together so that it can be easy for me to move. Okay, good. So I can either reduce it or increase it this way, and it's easier for me to move as well. So I'll be doing same for this. I'll be reducing it a bit, reducing this a bit. Okay, what do we have here? Good. So I'll be merging it together. Okay, good. Wow, we are making progress, trust me. So need to adjust this a bit and be placing it beside the number. Then I'll be placing this here as well. So I want to increase this a bit, and I want to make it italics. So I'm going to our B style, then I'm clicking on italics. You see that? All these things are very, very simple, like very, very simple. Wow. Well, we are already done with our design. So I'm just trying to arrange it. Okay, let me merge this together. I'm just trying to arrange it so that we can move on to our mockup, which is also simple as well. Good. Okay, let's merge them together. Good. Okay, we're making progress. Let's see what we have here. Wedding ceremony. Let me increase the stroke a bit. The stroke color rather. Okay. Good. 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 So I'm trying to adjust this. If you can't adjust it properly, you can click on your position to this particular guy here to position everything properly. Wow. It has to be center aligned. It has to be okay. I'm just using my grid to check if everything is center aligned. See? Okay, okay, okay. And we are good to go. Now the next thing we'll be doing is we'll be merging everything up. So I'll be opening up our layer. Then I'll be merging everything we have here. I'll be merging it up. Good. So this is what we actually have. So I'll be going to our background, this particular guy here. I'll be clicking on it. Then I'll be changing our background to transparent. You see that? Don't forget to save your project so that if you want to make any correction on it, you don't have to start from the beginning. You just have to edit it. So the format we'll be saving it is PNG. Don't forget, PNG has no background. So it's PNG. So we'll be changing the dimension to ultra. Then just save. Okay. So that's that for designing on our Pixellab. Now let's move straight to our Photopea. Okay guys, now we're moving on to our Photopea. Our Photopea is actually a different app entirely. It's an online app at that. So you'll be clicking on Chrome. Once I click on Chrome, I type in www.photopea.com. It loads up the interface this way. It automatically opens up for me because I've already saved it on my phone. Now we want to mock up our logo. We want to change it from the 2D form to the 3D form. Okay. So I've actually downloaded the mockup file, which I'll be giving to my students free of charge during the course of this training. My students are going to be having it free of charge. Okay. So I want to import it into our photo piece. So I'll click on file. Once I click on file, I click on open. So it takes me to where I have the mockup. So I have the mockup here. So I'll click on that way. Once I click on it, it loads. It loads on our Photopea. When working with this app, you have to be very, 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 very patient. I mean, super patient, because this mocking up exercise is what a system actually does. So you are expecting a smartphone to do it. It's gonna do it, but it's gonna take time. So you have to be very, very patient while working with this particular app. Okay, our mockup is loaded up already. So I'll be clicking on this particular icon here. It's called layer. So once I click on it, it opens up this way. The business we are having here is this first one. This place your logo here with a red eye icon. So you see this little box inside the white box. You'll be double tapping on that particular little box. So you just double tap on it this way. Once you double tap on it, it flattens our mockup this way. But we don't need this text. We want our text to be on the mockup. So you still go back to your layer and you close this eye icon. Then when you come back, you see the text has disappeared. Good. Now we want to bring in our design, what we've actually designed on the Pixellab. We want to import it down to our photo piece so we can transform it. How do we go about it? It is very, very simple. Go back to your file. Then you click on open and place. Then you locate it where you have it on your phone. I have it on my Pixellab, so I'll just select it and I'll click on done. It automatically loads it up this way. So I will be expanding it that way. Good. So after expansion, I'm okay with this way. I want to just save it. How do I save? Very, very simple as well. I go back to my file. Then I click on save as smart object. Once I click on save as smart object, it loads it up that way. Smart object updated. Good. So once it updates it, it won't show directly. So you click on this mockup, that particular first one. You click on it and you do what? You wait. That's right. You wait. You wait. You have to be very patient while working on this app. Photopea is actually an online app, unlike Pixellab. Photopea, you have to own your data to be able to access it. Good. Okay, we're making progress. You have to be patient. We're waiting. You're waiting. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you are missing out though, big time. So I want you guys to pause this video right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you click on the notification button so that you can be notified whenever we drop amazing videos. Wow, look at that. This is our mockup. It has loaded already. Okay, I want to save it. I want to export it. How do I do that? Very, very simple as well. I'll be clicking on file. Then I'll be clicking on export as. But in this case, we are exporting as PNG. Assuming we are using our system, we are using our Photoshop, we'll be exporting as JPEG. But here we are exporting as PNG. So when you click on that, you click on your PNG, it loads up this way. This is the preview of what we have. PNG. You can change the name if you want, and if you don't want, you can just leave it that way and click on save. Then it's going to ask you, do you want to download it? I've downloaded it before. That's why it's asking, do I want to download it again? So you just click on download. So once it downloads, you click on open. Let's see what we've designed. Let's see. Wow. See that? This is actually what we've designed. Look at this beauty. So nice. Look at that. Wow. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's amazing. So this is how to design a 3D logo using our Pixellab and our Photopea. I'm very glad you've learned a thing or two, because I'm sure you've actually learned a thing or two. Kindly like this video, share this video, you comment. I would love to hear back from you guys. Comment on the comment section, and please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important. And click on the notification button. Click on all notifications, so you can be getting beautiful and amazing eye-opening videos like this one. Till we meet again, God bless you. Bye bye.